Hey. Hey, Stinking. Where you go? Come on. Hey. He's a loving dog, but I gotta get rid of him. The Humane Society won't take him because they're overloaded and they're gonna take him and put him down. So I don't want him to get put down. He's a wonderful dog, man, but I don't have room for him. So if anybody wants him, they can have him. Just contact me, please. I can't take care of him. I have to let him go. He's a beautiful dog, man. Great shape. He just wants to be loved. And he's been moved around a lot, so